Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season.
Hi babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here, and today I am super excited to announce FITMAS. So guys, instead of doing Vlogmas like everyone else is going to be doing, I wanted to do something that surrounds my weight loss journey. So every Wednesday of the month of December, I will be uploading some kind of weight loss challenge that I'm trying. So today you guys are going to be getting my weigh-in, my measurements, and you're going to get a little quick idea of some meal prep food that you guys could try out that goes with last week's grocery haul. So if you haven't watched my last grocery haul, make sure you do. My last vlog, it'll be linked down below and up in the cards. That way you guys can be all caught up with what the meal prep is at the end of this video. But guys, first off, I just want to tell you why I'm doing FITMAS. So basically, you guys, I have been on a weight loss journey, and of course, I haven't been uploading a bunch because I just moved, but now that we are settled, I really want to get back into my fitness game, and I want to bring you on the journey. That's why I'm super excited to try out a bunch of different workouts from a bunch of different YouTubers, because I don't know about you, but when it comes to working out, sometimes I'm just lost. You know, like I just don't know what to do. And there are so many amazing workouts out there and so many awesome fitness influencers that I follow that I want to just spotlight on my channel and like try out their workouts and try them out, and you guys can try them out with me. Every week I'm going to be announcing who I'm going to be doing the next week. So this week I'm announcing that next week on Wednesday I will be uploading my 3 mile a day challenge with Miss Grow with Joe. So I'm going to be doing her 3 mile walking workouts for 5 days. So for an entire week, that's my workout week, is 5 days and then 2 days off. So I will be doing those workouts, and I will be telling you guys my thoughts, showing you if I lost weight, showing you my measurements, all that fun stuff. So if you guys are excited about that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you do not miss the video. Every Wednesday, you will be getting some kind of weight loss challenge, and every Saturday during FITMAS, you guys will be getting some kind of food vlog, something fun about my life. Because for right now, 2 videos a week is about all I've got on that I can upload for you guys, and I am doing my best, so I'm sorry it's not going to be an everyday series, but I wanted to make sure you're getting quality videos instead of just like whatever I could throw together. So yes, you'll get a video every Wednesday and every Saturday on this channel. So today, like I said, at the end of the video, you guys are gonna be getting an easy meal prep for breakfast and lunch for a week. So that'll be at the end. But for now, let's get into my weight. And I'm gonna put it up on the screen for you guys as well, just so you can kind of like chill and follow along with me a bit. But I did my weigh-in this morning, and the scale that I have, I will link it down below because it's super useful. My scale tells me my body weight. It tells me my body fat percentage, muscle mass, water weight, and my BMI. So currently I weighed in at 248.5 pounds. I have 52.4% body fat, 25% muscle mass, 43% water weight, and 41.3 is my BMI. I'm not saying the scale is perfect and it knows everything, but that's just what I'm gonna go off. That's what I'm gonna track. So that's what I'm gonna use to track and compare to. And I weigh in every Sunday morning. So I wake up Sunday, go to the restroom, and immediately weigh in my PJs, because I usually just sleep in a tank top and shorts anyways. So that's fine for me to weigh in. And then I will put my measurements on the screen as well. What I like to measure is my waist, my belly button, my butt, my arms, my thighs, and my calves. And essentially, I'm trying to see a loss everywhere except for my butt. The butt, I'm really trying to grow. I'm really trying to see some gains, okay? Girl. The butt is the one that I'm really trying to see gains, and everywhere else, I'm trying to see a loss of inches. So that's basically what I'm gonna be tracking my progress on, is did I lose inches where I wanted to, and did I gain inches where I wanted to? Yeah, that's about the criterion for these challenges. I'm not going to focus so much on the number on the scale, just because it's not exactly the best determining factor. I have spoken to my doctors, and even though I am overweight, they literally say I'm completely healthy. They're like, yes, you are overweight, but you don't have any other underlying health concerns. Like, I've had the blood work, I've had everything. but there are health concerns that run in my family. Of course, right now I am not at risk for them, and my doctors have said I have a clean bill of health, but that doesn't mean that that can't become a problem in the future if I keep carrying excess weight. And I think that's the big thing, is I'm trying to get ahead of it, right? And I'm sure a lot of you watching my videos are trying to get ahead of it as well, because most of you watching my videos are between 18 and like 35, I think is my age demographic, which is exactly the age group that I'm in. I'm 27, you know, so I'm with y'all. We're trying to get ahead of it. We're trying to look young forever. We're trying to be slim, thick, you know what I'm saying? But we want real bodies. So through this exercise program and me just trying to lose weight and showing you guys what I'm doing with my life, I want to remind you that this is sustainable. I think a lot of people get on here and say how I lost 25 pounds in 1 month, and it's not sustainable. Mine is going to be sustainable. So if you don't see me doing all of these weight loss hacks that you see everyone else doing, there's a reason for that, and it's because it's not going to be sustainable. This is a journey. We are on a marathon, not a sprint, sis. So if you're subscribing to this channel, then you're with me on this journey. And one of the main things I want to do is make sure it's a sustainable journey. So don't be surprised when you guys see my grocery haul on Saturday and you see a few wild things up in there, because yes, they are things that I'm going to be eating, and I'm going to show you all of it, because we are not keeping no secrets on this channel, honey. We are telling the truth, okay? That's how we're going to get through this journey together. So I want to show you guys my entire meal prep, so I will send you guys over there, and I'll see you guys a bit later. Bye. Alright babes, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It super duper helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video. I will see you on Saturday and the Wednesday after that, girl, because it is FITMAS, and I can't wait to get fit with all of you babes out there. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!